Hello and welcome to this demo video for Explaindio Video FX. Now this video is going to be two main parts. During the first part, I'm going to show you how you can use this software to take a beautiful HD video and add a slight blur effect to it, and that way you can use that blurred video to possibly apply it to a landing page like you can see here. And I'm actually going to dive in and show you how to do this and how to apply it to your landing page. And I'm also going to show you how to take a green screen video like you see here, take out the green screen, and apply a blurred video in the background to add a nice depth of field between you and your background. So to get started, let's start first with our landing page that we have here and how to go ahead and take a nice background, add a slight blur to it, and then apply it to our landing page so that we have a nice beautiful design like you see here. So to do this here, I'm going to jump back to the software. I am going to open a new video, and the video that I'm opening right now is my stock footage that I have of people walking around the city. And we can see that the stock footage is very clear, it's very crisp, and let me quickly show you what this looks like on my landing page before I blur it. So I'm going to jump back to my landing page editor that you see here. I am going to click on edit, and I'm going to replace my background with the original video and click on save. Next, I'm going to click on preview. Now, once that loads up, you can instantly see the difference in the landing page. The background is no longer blurry, and now the focus is no longer on my message here in the center. Instead, you're kind of looking at the background. The camera's moving around, you're looking at the people, and it's drawing attention away from my opt-in box. And if I quickly switch it back to the blurred vision, you can see the difference instantly, how the attention goes back to the landing page, my opt-in form, instead of the attention on the background. Alright, so that's what we're going to accomplish here. So I'm going to open up Video FX again. We uploaded our video, it's a nice HD video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on blur over here on the left, and when I do that, we can see an example, a live preview of what our video will look like if we apply the blur effect right now. We have the ability to adjust the radius and the power, and when I do that, we can see it gets a lot more blurry, and we can adjust the radius and just change how blurry we really want it to be. So I would apply something like a radius of 2 perhaps, and then maybe a power of 5, and this right here is what I applied to my landing page. So once you have this set up the way you like, go ahead and click on apply effect. The software is going to apply that blur effect to your video, and once the software is done adding that blur effect, all you have to do is click on save video, choose where you would like to save your file, and then the easiest way to do it is to head over to YouTube, upload that newly blurred video, copy the URL, head over to your landing page creator, just click on edit, and for the background video, all you need to do is just to paste that blurred video that we just created, click on save, and then when you preview it, you can see that we now have that nice blurred background and our landing page looks really great and really professional. Alright, so that's just one way that we can use Video FX to our advantage to create some really awesome blurred videos and use them in our marketing campaigns. So now we're going to head back to the software, and for the second part of the video, I want to show you how to create a nice blurred background for your green screen videos. So the first thing we need to do is open a new video, and I'm going to open up this nice HD beach footage that I would like to use as my background to some green screen footage that I have. So if I click on play, it's just some nice waves coming up to the beach. So the first step is that we need to blur this as well. So the same thing as the first part we talked about, we're going to click on blur. We are going to adjust the radius and the power to blur it however we would like, and click on apply effect. And once the software is done blurring that video, we are going to save that to our computer as well. And then we have that part prepared for our green screen. Next, we need to open the green screen footage that we have. So I'm going to open that now, and this here is some stock footage that I found on YouTube. And once we have this uploaded, we are going to click on green screen. Once we are inside of the green screen settings, we need to click on choose file. And from here, we need to upload the beach footage that we blurred in the previous step. So I'm going to click on open. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, and we have two options here. We have the similarity and we have the blend. And these are going to be the settings that we're playing with when it comes to fading out the green screen and bringing in the blurred video that we created. Now the first thing I need to do is I need to choose the green from my video. So we're going to mouse over our video, and when we do, we see this little eyedropper here. We need to select the green, and once we do that, we can see the green here is going to update with the same green from our video. So once we have that selected, we can start adjusting the similarity and the blend to find a nice combination that gets rid of all the green in our video and replaces it with our background. So feel free to play with these sliders a little bit until you find just the right combination that eliminates all the green from your video and shows only the HD background that we have here. And as you can see from the live preview, it's looking pretty good that we have this live video behind us, a nice blurred background. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Apply Effect so we can see what that looks like really quick. So once the software is done doing that, I'm going to click on play, and I have to play with my sliders a little bit more to get rid of that green that you see around the edge. But you can see that we have this nice blurred background behind us, and it adds a nice depth of view between me and the background. So that there is just a few different ways that you can use VideoFX to your advantage to customize the way your videos look and how you can use them in your web marketing efforts. You can download your copy of Explaindio VideoFX right now by clicking the link below this video.